Resolute Beach is a popular surf beach located on the Gold Coast in southern Australia. It is known for its consistent waves and challenging surf conditions, making it a popular destination for serious surfers. The beach is also a great place for swimming, sunbathing, and other water activities. There are several nearby parks and reserves, as well as a variety of restaurants and shops in the area. Despite its popularity, Resolute Beach remains a peaceful and relatively uncrowded destination, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a relaxing surfer's paradise.